2023 Nissan Rogue. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat. Find your dream car and drive it home today.